Welcome to our next tutorial. What we said, we are going to give you part 2 of mail match, whereby we take two software applications and match it together just to find one comprehensive results on how we can do the mail match. So this one is going to be a bit shorter than the other one, but the process is just we are going to use two applications. For you, you can open a Microsoft Excel application. It can be any 2010, 13, 16, 2003, 2007, 19, whatever application you are using of Excel. So for me, I have an already open Microsoft Excel. What I'm going to do is I'm going to type the same things as according to the previous one, but we're going to keep the results as short as possible just for tutorial purpose. So we're going to say title, like we did, teacher, it was name, surname, others, company, company, uh, what else? Was address, was it address one, zip code, down, country. So, okay. So the name we said, the first name was Mr. The other one was Miss. So it was Alexander, Dick, Alexander, Dick, and the address still was. I don't remember the address that was there, but it's okay. We can put a new one if we want. It's just for tutorial purpose, just to guide you through. I don't know. It was maybe Cape Town, Cape Town, Cape Town. Uh, let's and then town is gonna be Cape Town, Africa. It was Nancy, week, that's thesis, Azalero, resolution, Eastern Cape, essay. So don't be confused with the information. Maybe they look half or whatever it is. We just come here just to make sure we get full content. If you really want to know how I'm using this, I made a tutorial on how you can do the basics of Microsoft Excel. I also showed how to calculate in Microsoft Excel, so there's no excuse that this is gonna be difficult for you to execute. I'm very sorry, just go through my videos and then you will find what you need on how you can use that application, whatever it is. Now we are going to save this. I'm going to save this, save as browse. I'm going to put in downloads. I want to say I want it to be on top, so I will say A and I will say contacts. customers. Thomas mail match, mail match. Okay. So now remember, what I will do is I have already saved contact list. Now what we are going to do, we need a, a Microsoft Word letter that we want to do the match with. So what we're going to do, I just opened the same mail match we used on the previous video. So what we are going to do is very simple. This is how you're going to do. You come here at the recipient, understand? Then you say use existing. The first one you type in this. Now we're going to use an existing. So now we are going to find that one from downloads here. Here. Uh, Sorry for that. Then you open this one. Then you say this sheet. Then you say okay. Now the sheet is activated. Understand? For we to do the main match. So what are we going to do now? You come here. Say I want to add the title, Mister. We are going to put space. I want to add name, space, surname. Then I want to enter. And then I want to add something else. Company name here. I want to enter. And then I want to add address here. And zip code here. So zip code I'll send with it. I want to insert it with a town. So then I will say here the country has to be on its own. So that's a basically I'm done with my thing. So as you can see, it happens to appear that it's similar to the other one. Now let's see because this is on Alexander. So we're going to see if it automatically changing on Nancy. When you go to two here, it will show you that this is Nancy Vic. But one here it says Alexander Tech. So you could see the difference that it's automatically changing the same thing to the other one. It's technology, right? But either way works. So how do you preview the results? Here, this is for educational purpose. You manage to find that the title are in those funny things. It's whereby they are showing that you automatically change you insert it from a specific data. So in schools, higher tertiary education, they will ask you for this one to be printed. So this is the one that you will be required to print with is things like these titles, those things. Then the marker will know that you are correct. Or even if the company owner wants to test you, he will test you by this. Okay. So or he will be telling you to print a specific for Nevensi only. So what you're going to do is just print for Vensi here. You just go to print, and then it will just print for Vensi itself. One of two. You could see it's only for Vensi here. Okay, but if you have to send mail match, you come here. You say edit individual documents, print documents, send via mail. You choose either one of the procedures that you want. Maybe you were told to print, or you're told to edit individuals, or you're told to send mail match. But if you want me to work on this for more video tutorials, please do not hesitate to comment description below, comment there, share, like, subscribe. This is what we are going to do, all of us here together without any problem. I'm here to help you with the basics I know about technology around me, and what I know about the use of computers, because not all of the people are being honest with what they want to show to other people. They keep skipping with short tutorials and those things. So I'm here to help you. So just like, comment, subscribe, refer this on to someone else. Comment, tell me how good it is, how fast I am, or if I'm slow, if I'm good, if I'm not. All comments are accepted. Okay, so that's me from Alexander Tech. Hope to see you on the next one. Tell me what you want to do next. If it has to do with only software applications, I will be glad to do it, even if it has to do with 100, 1000 video tutorial only on these software, Microsoft applications. I will be here to assist. So, not hesitate for me. It's all about what you can do yourself anywhere you are. So, this is Alexander Tech. Bye bye. See you on the next one.